Well, WHAS 11, LG&E and KU recognize the teachers in our community who go above and beyond to set their students on the right track. Today, a music teacher at Crosby Middle School, hey, I'm a proud Crosby alum, is spotlighted for his relationship building with the students, even in the middle of the pandemic, instructing over Zoom. Haley Minogue has the ExCEL Award.
The reason we are here is to surprise and celebrate you and honor you with the ExCEL Award.
Oh my gosh.
And
a complete surprise to Mr. Joseph Stivers from Crosby Middle School. The music teacher had no idea he was going to be honored with an ExCEL Award in a Zoom meeting with his colleagues and family.
Very, very humbled today through this experience. So I'm still trying to fish for some words, but just full of joy because I know that my story is about the relationships formed with our community and that being celebrated today.
Mr. Stivers recognized the healing power of the arts and self-expression during such a difficult time for students and used the pandemic to focus on building strong bonds.
So I think defining my why is just, again, the relationships I build with my students, that they become better people, not just better musicians, not just better students and scholars, but that they become better people and can know years from now to look back on their Crosby experience and say they have become a better person through the opportunities we provided and just loving on them.
Again, on behalf of WHAS 11 and LG&E and KU, congratulations to Mr. Joseph Stivers of Crosby Middle School on his ExCEL Award.